Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a hot piping cup of coffee in front of you right now because you're going to want to get your hands on these after the video is done. While we get these out, I have another pair of these already in a lighter khaki color, and these, in my honest opinion, are the best mountain biking shorts that I have used. I have been mountain biking for many years now, and what I like about these so much is, of course, I'm going to show you the pocket factor, the comfortability factor, and let's get right on into the video. So just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, top link will be these exact same mountain biking shorts where you guys can pick them up yourself, read more about them after the video is done. So right off the bat here, you're going to have a cargo pocket on each leg here. Let me just move these out of the way real quick. These are the gray color. They have many different colors, so check out that link. So my other pair, like I said, I've used it for many rides now. High quality, you got double stitching all the way down. So each cargo pocket right here has a little clasp, and then you also have your zipper here, super deep. And when I put these on, I'll show you my cell phone inside of them, etc. here. Same pocket on this side here. Then you have a zippered side pocket, as we can see right here. That is nice right there for whatever it may be, keys. But I personally use, now I have a filming camera for YouTube and then I have a flip phone. So I put my flip phone and then I put my YouTube filming camera in here. So I have two cell phones in this side. If I've driven to the trailhead, I got my keys on this side. You got a nice double button here with your zipper right here as well. They are flexible as well, super comfortable. On the back here, you got your belt loops. I wear a groove belt with these. And then you have your different little Velcro clasps here if you want to tighten those down even more. Again, I love my first pair. Got my hands on another couple pairs here. And just let me show you the khaki. Now I got my first pair was the light khaki, and these are the regular khaki right here. So again, beautiful coloring. You got your black zippers. I got a medium. You can look at their size chart, that link below. All the mountain biking shorts are going to be the same. The back here, you can tell a little bit of the different color features of them here. I introduced these shorts to my brother. He loves them as well. Now let's put them on, show you what I pack inside them. Okay, let's look at the khaki color here. So I am 5'9", and I weigh about 155 pounds. They're sitting right on my boxer line right here, and I have the medium. Now because of the stretch, they got plenty of flex to them here. So if you're in between a small and a medium, I have about a 30-inch waist. Again, 5'9", 155, and they come right down here below my knees right here. If you want them a little bit higher, a little bit tighter, you might want to go with the smalls. I think the mediums are perfect for myself. I do wear a belt with these, and that khaki color is really nice, a little bit more darker than my light khaki color I have. And this is where it gets really juicy. So you have a pocket right here, you have a pocket right here again. So when I mountain bike ride, I typically have my filming phone, I have my cell phone, which is a flip phone. I tuck one in that pocket, one in that pocket, zip it shut so they don't come out if I'm jumping. And then you again have your cargo pockets down here and here, as well as if I'm driving to the trail, I have my keys in this one, and again I use a belt around right here. So this is what they look like from the back. As you can see, going down above my calf line and then down below my knees. There's my knees, goes down below my knees. Again, loving the pockets, very lightweight, durable. Let's switch over to the gray. Really cool colors. Again, these are the gray and looking really, really sharp as well. Again, mediums are going to fit the same. You're going to have your little black little coloring right here on the back side of them. And then, again, they have the same pockets. Especially for your mountain biking trips, grab your different colors. I have now 3 pairs, and I'm looking forward to my Bentonville trip coming up. Once again, top link in the description box below of this video is going to be these exact same mountain biking shorts. Again, highly recommend them. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and they do intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY house remodel projects. Again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next one.